Alright guys, Morrissey back again. You should know already. Well, I got a little unboxing here. This came in the mail today. I got this off of Banggood. Yeah, which is a crawler. It's this red one here. It's a 4-channel. Yeah, forward, reverse, drive, left, right, forward lighting, high powered, 1/16 scale. Yeah, shock absorbers. It's a 2.4 gigahertz remote frequency, 8 plus. So yeah, it's a toy, but it's not for kids. Well, basically, yeah, same stuff I just read out there. It's a high-speed motor. Yeah, competition speed chassis, and yeah. So this is the one. I got alloy skeleton. Okay, not bad, not bad, not bad. Banggood thing, Banggood thing, Banggood thing. Alright, and what we got here? We got all the instructions and whatnot. Yeah, you got this. You got a couple of those. As you can see, they tick this one because that's the one I'm getting. Yep. Alright, let me just open this. Open this and see what's up in here. Okay, so it's one hand I'm doing this here, guys. Bear with me. Okay, 1 second. Alright, that's the box over there. Chuck down the side. Okay, this is the bad boy here. Alright, you get a little manual. You know, check what you have to check. Let me see what's in here. Okay, well, guys, I don't read Chinese. Okay, we got English side, so we don't have to learn Chinese. This is all good. So yeah, basically, it got what it comes with: the battery, the charger, whatnot. Got little bits and pieces to add on to it. Yeah, showing you the instructions and everything. And get your remote. You need some AA batteries. Yeah, I think about 2 AA batteries or something like that. What's this? Okay, we got a little charger here as well. Charger for the battery. Yep. And the little bits and bobs I was talking about. I got some little screwdriver in there, some little black pieces to add on to it. Yeah. Alright, let's pull it out. Get this off of the table. Alright, that's gone. Done with that. Okay. So this is it, guys. So basically, you can add your handles, you can add your mirrors, indicators. What else? Okay. It's not bad, not looking bad. Let me see. Yeah, got a little suspension. Okay, look like you can handle something. Not bad. Maybe see the underneath. Alright, so this is the chassis, guys. So underneath of it. Not bad. Not bad for a 24. Okay, I'll just round it off. Let's say about 30 pounds. 30 pounds I got this for. So that ain't bad. To me, that's a deal. Let me see what we got in here. Then we got the little battery in here. We got a battery in there. Yeah. Oh, that's a little tricky to get out of there. All right, battery out. So it's a 6-volt battery. It's DT NICD. Yeah, whatever. 700 mAh, 6-volt. Okay, so the battery goes in there, and you see the little plug. You got your little tire, your little crawler tire. It should be all right. I mean, hey, it's 30 quid, so why not? So basically, what you got to do, you charge up your battery, charge it up, put this in. Yeah, if you got a USB head charger, you just plug this in it. You got your little bits and pieces, which I'm gonna be putting on. I got my little mirrors and whatnot. Gotta put some batteries as well, and I think that's it. So yeah guys, this is the off-road racing series crawler. And yeah, it's not bad though. I'm gonna see how this, yeah man, looking a bit bouncy. Look like she can handle something. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Yeah man, decent in it. Well, 30 quid guys and you got yourself a crawler. Check out Banggood. Literally, basically this thing was supposed to reach like the end of this month. I don't know what magic Banggood worked, but this thing came within like, I don't even want to exaggerate, like about a week. About a week it took to reach me. Yeah, that's awesome man. Thanks Banggood. All right, more RC here. More RC is out. Thanks for looking at the video. Thanks for checking out the new crawler. I gotta add to my, with my Canyon FTX. So yeah, as I was saying, thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm gonna have some new videos soon enough. Yeah, don't worry. I'm gonna be back soon with some new videos. Take it easy.